Hey, hi friends. Welcome to the live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel, guys. So this is the 37th live Q&A session for 100 days of IT Corporate Bootcamp Batch 3, which is going to start soon from 24th of February. So this session is going to focus on the new batch only. So whatever the queries you guys are having, okay, so today I am going to solve all the queries which is related to the new batch, online batch, because I have seen that there were so many queries are coming back to back. So obviously the batch is going to start soon because the previous batch is already full, guys. And as all of you know that I am not like others. Okay, so I am a very straightforward person and I focus on whoever I am giving training and all. Okay, so that they should survive in this IT industry for next 15 years, right? With the truth. Okay, so that is there. So I'm going to discuss more into that part, and you guys can, in the meantime, you can ask the questions, right? So yes, and there is one more request from all of you that guys, I can see you guys are supporting my channel. So thanks a lot for supporting my content, for supporting my channel, all the contents which I'm producing in front of you guys through my channel, through my website, right, and also through the online batches, guys. The aim is very clear. Everybody should get a job, and whoever is not having any job, they should get into this IT industry, right? And at the same time you should be able to survive in this industry for next 15 years plus. You should get a very good growth, okay, with handsome package and all. That is what the intention is, very clear, okay. And yes, so this is all I just want to say. But at the same time, I request all of you that still who has not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe my channel today only, guys, because your support is much more important, and I really appreciate that you guys are already supporting my channel, but I need more support from you. So please go ahead and subscribe my channel, guys, so that there will be more content which is in pipeline is going to publish in my channel. Still there is nothing I have published. Still DevOps is pending from my side, right? All of you know, the once the DevOps content will come, then you guys will understand the quality of the content, okay. It is true content which is from my organizations only, okay. It's a true things. Whatever I have done in my previous organization, those things only I'm going to replicate over here. So this is not something demo projects and all what others are doing. They are making some projects and all, and they are asking you to put in their resume and all. No, that is not the right way. I'll tell you what type of a project has been asked in industry, or I have already worked with those projects. Those projects only I'm going to explain over here, guys. Okay. So thank you for joining this 37th Q&A live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. So I'm going to wait for another 2 to 3 minutes. By the time everybody should join, and you guys can ask, and you can ask your questions, right? You can shoot your questions, guys. One second. Am I audible, guys? Hey, hi Monish. Very good evening to you. Monish, I know, I think you have already enrolled in my online batch, but you did not make it to batch 2. I know, because batch 2 timing is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. evening, right? And most of you are having some support kind of a role or 24 into 7. So let me take out of from that loop. Just give me an opportunity so that through my course, okay, through my corporate training, you can come out of that loop. That is for sure, okay. So the new batch is going to start soon, Monish, from 24th of February, and that is going to be 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So I think it's feasible for most of you guys. I'll paste the link also for the registration link. Let me paste the link for that online batch over here. Yeah, this is the link, guys. Thank you, Technical KH. Yeah, so this is the link. I can see audience is joining now. So, guys, I'll start taking your questions one by one. And as I said, I am going to tell you how my classes conducts and what all things I am going to cover in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp online batch. Basically, it's absolutely different from your, I would say, from my recorded videos. And there is so much of it's not only the online or the interactive videos or the course content, or the most important, it's a migration project, which is I am explaining only in my online batches and all. Obviously, due to confidential reason, I cannot make it public. Okay, because those are the projects which I have already done in my organization and I'm replicating over here, right? So with my own infrastructure, right? That is what I'm doing over here. So yes, that can be only explained during the online batches, right? So which you don't see in my recorded videos and all, guys, right? So I'll explain. And how batch 2 is already full. It's yeah, Raki. Okay, guys, let me take the questions also one by one. First of all, hey, good evening, Monish. Thank you for joining this live session. I can see Subramaniam Subu. Okay, sir. Hi, sir. Good evening. Hope you are doing well. Can you please help me to get 2 years AWS cloud engineer experience resume? Yes, Subu. For that, you need to join my membership plan. Okay, so that is for, see, if I have to, either you can join my online batches or you have to join my membership plan, right? So there are total four membership level for that one, Subramaniam Subbu. Okay, one is bronze, one is your silver, another one is your gold, another one is your platinum. Please go through my channel membership, you will come to know. In one of them I have explained that. So I am supporting almost everything, resume preparation, counseling members and all, right? Plus the course which is uploaded in my website. So that also you can visit, you can see over here, right? So yeah, guys, I can see people are joining now, and what is that, sir? Can you? Okay, so let me take the. I hope I have answered your question, Subbu. Let's move to the next question. Raki Dhaka. Hey, hi, Raki. Can you please make some batches for weekend only? Sure, Raki. That is coming soon, because see, from Monday to Friday, it's most of the people requested for Monday to Friday. Rarely people are requesting me for the weekend batches and all. So this is why I'm conducting both batches in weekdays only. Okay, so what is the next question, guys? Tejas Janki Ram. Hi, sir. So Divya, okay. Divya Ranjan, hi Abhishek sir, good evening. When you will be adding the recorded classes in the courses, it's still waiting for the next upcoming. So those are the recorded videos only, Divya. So that will be get added according to the time only, because those requires editing and all. Okay. So soon it's going to edit. It's going to upload it in my website, right? So I said edited and recorded videos is absolutely different from the online batches. So if you if you are in very hurry burry, or if you want to interact with me on a daily basis, where see, obviously recording is something which take times. Okay, it's not like my videos are not 1 minute or 2 minute videos are there, right? So each and every video is having more than 30 minutes or 40 minutes videos are there, right? So I have to listen to those videos, and according to that I have to do editing and all, and then only I have to publish it to my website and all, right? Correct. So yeah, so that is going to take time. Obviously it will be uploaded. That's what I can promise you all. Okay, and it will be uploaded to my channel also as a member only video going forward. So Teju, what is that? Tejas. Okay. Hey, hi. Your name is very good. Tejas is our one of the fighter jet, right? Made in India. So hi, sir. What is the difference between recording videos and live classes? That I'll explain today only. You'll come to know, which I have explained already. there is a almost you can say sky and ground level. There is a huge difference. Most important thing, there is no migration project. Okay, the real time migration project is in my if you say that majority of the thing is most important is the real time migration project, which I have only included my online batches, because those videos I cannot put it publicly. Okay, because those are my real time, you can say, whatever I have projects or the migration projects I have done in my previous organization, same thing I'm replicating over here with my own infrastructure. Obviously, with the confidential reason, I cannot make it public to everyone, right? So uh, for those, you have to join the online batches, then only you'll be understand, and that is only you can showcase in your resume. This is why my most of online batches candidates are getting selected very fastly, and they're getting good handsome packages also, and other things also I'll explain. Yeah. So, Monish Chaudhary sir, please reveal the system Linux administrator, resume fresher and experience. Okay, I don't have any experience of Linux, so how can I add 1 year of experience in my resume? For that, Monish, I would request you that, so there is already one video in my channel also. Plus, if you want to know more into this one, then you have to connect with me. I have to validate your resume. So for that, you can go with my platinum membership plan in my channel only. Okay, which is available. So where I'm helping for resume preparation, for with the different roles and responsibility according to your experience level. Plus, I'm also helping for the mock interviews, career counseling, and also at the same time you will be able to access all the videos, member only videos, which is available in my website. Okay, so that facility you are going to get, Monish, right? So either you can go in that one or you can join my online batch, whichever is feasible for you, as per your financial condition. I have given all the options, I have provided all the options where you guys can go through that. Correct. Um, okay, guys, I'll take your questions one by one. But as I said, since somebody also asked me like Tejas and all that, sir, because in the last session also same question has been asked to me multiple times, sir. What is the difference between recorded videos and your online batch? So now you guys are able to understand. First, you tell me whether you guys are able to see my screen or not, because I am going to play one video of my day zero, which is the batch is already full pack, jam pack is there, so you guys can understand. And one more thing in criteria, I'll tell you, Tejas, for everyone. So in my online batch or the interactive batch, I don't take more than okay. Still, one second, guys. I have not shared anything. Can somebody confirm me? You guys are able to see my screen? Technical ke okay, we can see. Okay, your screen, sir. Yeah, okay, I can see, right. So thank you for letting me know. Okay, shorts extra. Fine, guys. So I can see you guys are able to see. Direct, I'll come to your question, but let me, because somebody has asked me this question, sir, what will be the course fee of? So for everything, I have Divya, I have already published the link over here. Just see, you can go through this one. You will come to know the course fee of this online batch, because this batch is going to be next 6 months back. Okay, so once you start the course, it's going to take 6 months to complete, and everything I am going to cover into this one, where nobody, I can challenge on that one, in entire you go anywhere, nobody is covering this much content with real time project, with the migration projects and all. So by end of 6 months, you will be full ready with any role. Okay, so but I request all of you, first see this one video, okay, of day zero, and I don't take more than 30 candidates in a batch, so that I can focus on each and every candidates, right? And I own people basically, that is what my way of teaching, so that I can focus on each and everyone. Guys, let me know if you are able to see this video, right? I'm going to play in front of you guys. Can somebody confirm me they are able to hear this, hear the video what I played? Okay, thank you, Derek. Just listen to this one. I'll make it little bit fast forward for you, so it's not going to consume your time. It's more than 30 candidates onboarded on that day. Everybody is already joined, and they are doing this class. And there are so many things which I am doing. So you'll understand the course content also. At the end of that, I have explained. Okay, I'll make it little bit faster, guys, for you. I'll make it to 1.5 so that you guys will be listen. So, guys, guys are not able to. One second. I got it. You guys are not able to hear any sound and all, right? Can somebody confirm me? Okay, so the video, yeah, the video what I have played just now, you guys are not able to hear. So I just wanted to show you why I have presented that video in front of you guys. It's because of the batch. I see it's my batch is not like a typical batch. Okay, what teachers are doing, they are teaching nowadays as a DevOps engineer and all, right? So you can understand that people are not only from India, from US, UK, Sweden, Germany, right? All over the world, they are connecting because they know the content quality and what I am providing them in the online batches and all. So nobody simply believe and all, right? What others are doing, they are just doing. I'm not going into that one, that what others are doing and all, right? So my intention is very clear. So whatever I am going to explain in the online batch, so that is going to cover for next 15 years for your Linux, for shell scripting, for your cloud, for your, I would say, the DevOps tools and all, complete each and everything. But that requires migration projects and all to make sure that you guys should be able to clear all the interviews. Right now, somebody has asked me, sir, what all things you guys are going to get in that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp batch 3. Okay, so here is little bit the I'll explain this one. Yeah. So here you see, guys, very honestly, there is nothing wrong in this one. I'm not like others who will simply say free, 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 and then later on they'll upload their courses in multiple websites, and then finally they start taking money from you. Okay, no. So I am very pretty clear what I'm doing. Okay, and obviously there will be a liability. So this course is going to be 6 months course. Let me know if you guys are able to see my screen, or should I explain simply, right? So I'll share my screen so it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Are you guys able to understand my? Okay. So yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Can somebody confirm technical KH or Derek or anyone? Abhishek Jha or anyone else? Okay. Guys, please confirm me. You are able to see my screen. Moksha funny videos. I don't know. Okay. Can you confirm me? Technical KH. Okay, Moksha. Okay, so you see, guys, the batch is the new batch, which is going to start from 24th of, I would say, February. Okay, so this batch is going to be 6 months course. Why it's going to be 6 months course? Because I am going to cover so much of content into this one. What all contents I am going to cover into this one? So you need to understand from here. If you want to visit the content, that you'll come to know from here. Okay, so if you see here, sorry, my bad, guys. Okay, here, right? So Linux course content, as you can see that there will be almost 24 topics will be there, which I'll be covering, right? And immediately after each and every topic, the video will be recorded. You guys will be added to the WhatsApp group, right? And every day you guys are going to get the recorded videos in the Google Drive. It's nowhere published either in my YouTube channel or it's in my website and all. It's a purely raw video of the interactive classes what you guys are going through every day. During the class, you can ask your n number of queries related to the topics and all, okay, which I'll be solving during the class. So it's going to cover each and every topic which is required to become a good DevOps engineer or a cloud engineer. And as I said, very from day one, that Linux is going to be your foundation, because each and every topic, whatever I have mentioned, whether it's a Linux architecture or file system, Linux basic command in depth, managing file system or a partition, right? Logical volume manager, user or group administration. So these are not just a topic, guys. So each and every topic, there will be a real time hands-on will be there, which I have done in my production environment. For example, I just wanted to show you that how I explain, even in Linux also, I'll be explaining so many projects and all. So what all things? So there is something called let me take you over here, right? So to final content, yeah. So there is something called my base. Okay, so the base of my course content is based on my production work, what I have done in my production environment or in my previous companies and all. So the base is very clearly, you can see this sheet. This is a technical specification documentation which we use to create different virtual machines. These are the products, and you guys are not going to get this kind of a content which is from exactly from the company. Okay, exclusively only available in my online batches and all. With the basis of this only, I have created the entire content. Okay, so if you are going with Linux, so suppose you are building a server, so what type of a template is required, what all management IPs will be there, whether you have to configure NTP or not, IPv6 or not, SSHD key or not, DNS has to be configured, right, bonding has to be configured, right, and their open and pit installation is basically specific to this application which we are going to install into that virtual machine. SSH key and all, right? So you can see latest VMware install, AV installation and all. So McAfee installation, HPSA, it's quite similar tool to your Ansible and all, right? AD verification. So whatever the topics I have included over here, it's not just a topic. It's basically there is a base for that one, and that base which I have already done in my previous organization. According to that only, I have created this course content. I am not a teacher, I am a corporate trainer. So I have to provide you the real data, the honest data, the truth of the IT industry. And that is what I am doing in front of all of you guys. Okay. So this all the topics covered with real-time hands-on. Now once you come with this one, then we'll move on to the Linux shell scripting. Here also, if you see Linux shell scripting basics with all these topics, using structure commands, more structure command, handling user input, presenting data, script control and all. Even there will be added topics also, which is the advanced part of Linux shell scripting. Plus in each and every topic there will be a real-time project I'll be explaining, which I have already performed in my production environment. And you want to see that, that also I am having, but everything I cannot show you in this live session. For that, you have to join these online batches, guys, because those are the confidential data of my previous organization, right? So those things only. And then once you're done with Linux and shell scripting, I'll move you to the AWS cloud. So here also I am explaining a complete, there will be one big project will be there. In that big project only, there will be 7 to 8 use cases will be there. Here, not simply, these are not just topic, whether if you are talking about VPC creation or EC2 and all, or you are configuring the storage gateway and all. No, it's not just a topic. Last time also I told you that I have clearly explained that I am going to explain all these things with the help of your project. Okay, you see this project. So this project itself is having more than I would say 7 to 8 this one how I can say 1 second, let me make it little bit bigger for you. Yeah, so this project itself is having 7 to 8 use cases in this one. So you will be going through each and everything, guys. Okay, so then only you will understand how basically we create a production environment, okay, of your in one region, and then how the DRs has been created, how, right, how disaster recovery you are going to create for your application, right, how the database replication is going to happen, how your S3 replication has to be happened. So in this one, there are so many components, so many services are there. So each and everything I am going to explain you with the help of use case. And this is a real-time project, first of all. Okay. So nobody, you guys are not going to get these things anywhere. People just explain. I have heard that a few of the trainers, what they are doing, they are taking projects from GitHub, those free projects and all. No, in my case, those are not the case. I'm not taking it anywhere. I have enough content of my previous organization in my production environment, whatever I have performed, and those things only I'm explaining over here with the help of all these topics and all. Okay. So at last, DevOps project will be there, guys. So DevOps wise, there is a 3 to 4 migration project is there, right? And that is purely the migration project I have done in my previous organization and last 3 organization, you can say. And those are the very big projects and all. If you want to just see the glimpse of that one, I'll show you that also. People are explaining, I heard that people are explaining Netflix project, what you will do with Netflix project in the real-time interview. So those guys are going to, are you going to give the interview only for Netflix, or I don't know. So who is going to believe these things and all? You should mention something which is realistic, right? Which we are doing in this IT industry and all. Okay. So that is what you need to do, guys. Just see here, this is one of the project. Okay. Yeah, see, this is the DevOps migration project. In this one, there are more than 3 to 4 projects are there, guys, and these are the exactly same project what I have performed in my production environment, right? You can see here we are going to perform. We are going to use almost all the tools, and we are going to in Jenkins. We are going to do the I would say shared pipeline we are going to use. So we have to use the agent node and all, and then we have to do use multi branching and all, get installed in your controller node, right? Shared libraries we are going to use Jenkins, and how you're through Jenkins file you can call your Groovy scripts and all, and then finally Groovy scripts is going to run your CI/CD, right? So as you can see here, it's very clear from this one. We are going to use a microservices, and that microservices we are going to deploy into this Kubernetes cluster, whether it's a EKS, Elastic Kubernetes cluster, basically Amazon service, or standalone EKS. Also, we can use it over here, right? And in this process, this is already a pipeline. Basically, it's a Java API and all, which we are going to deploy into this Jenkins server, right? So, like this, there will be multiple projects. Guys, for patching also there will be. So you can see all 3 to 4. It's more than that. Okay, and it's all the projects. Okay, it's basically from my previous organization, from my previous projects and all, and I'm using my own infrastructure over here, right? But yes, these are the real time projects, guys, which you guys are going to get it over here. There is nothing hidden, and I don't hide anything, very honestly. These things you are not going to get it in my recorded videos. Now you have understand what is the difference between recorded videos and in my online batch and all. But again, for somebody, 1 second, guys, here you see so do I have very limited time, guys. So yeah, the course, complete course, I have explained just you now. So in that course you can see that I am not only covering Linux shell scripting, AWS, but also I am covering DevOps automation tool. You can see Terraform will be also. With the help of Terraform we are going to deploy the infrastructure into your AWS cloud. So Jenkins is there, Ansible is there, Docker is there, Kubernetes is there. For this only people are charging more than 20k, 25k, 30k, and for migration projects only people are charging more than. They are not giving migration projects and all. They are taking it from some free projects and all, and they are showing it to you guys. No, in my case that is not the case, guys. I am very honest person, so I am only going to show you what I have done in my production environment. Okay. So monitoring tools, Splunk and Grafana, we are going to use Terraform. We have, see, who is going to do this much of content, okay? Or he has to give you next half of the year to you guys, and I am doing it already. I am doing it already, right? But it's your trust, your belief, and obviously this is the note I have mentioned in this registration form. Whoever wants to register, they can go with this one. What you guys are going to get in this course is that you will get assignments on each and every day, and you will get the commands which you are not getting in my recorded videos. You are going to get the scripts, you are going to get the SOPs, you are going to get the tools and all, which will be used for this course and all, right? First of all, and then you are going to get the lifetime access of this course with free of cost. Okay, in my Google Drive only I'm going to upload these videos, and it's only accessible by the online batch people. Resume template, I am helping them to whether you are 1 year of experience, you are a fresher, or you are having 5 or 10 or 15 years of experience, I am going to give you. You wanted to go for a cloud role, go for a cloud role. You wanted to go for Linux role, go for the Linux role. You wanted to go for the DevOps role, you can go for the DevOps role. I am going to give you each and every roles and responsibility, real, exactly the same what they are asking in interviews and all. Okay. So plus I am providing you the interview question and answer. You all of you know how much effective my interview question. With interview question and answer only most of the people got selected in most of the companies. Okay, and they are doing good over there, right? But yes, at the same time, I am taking mock interviews also, which is free of cost in this course. Career counseling also I am taking, which is free of cost. This is most important. Nobody is doing this one nowadays. Okay, so others will say 24 into 7, but I am very honest what I am doing. So I am telling you, I'll be available 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, and Monday to Friday, but I cannot give you my 24 into 7, which is absolutely a lie. Whoever is saying this one, but which is feasible for me, I am telling those things only. So, and I'm already doing this way, okay. And also I have a so much of network connection, so I'm ready to refer you to the organization, but I cannot give the interview for you, right? So I will ready to refer you also within this course with this package and all, you can say. And the batch timing, it's going to be 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. You guys only requested me, sir, we cannot do the evening batches and all, so please start a batch in the morning time. So I'm going to start this new batch, and it's going to start from 24th. The time 24th, maybe here and there it will be, but yes, it's mostly it's going to be last week of your February only. So more thing is that before joining this course, you have to pay 20K. And like for others who are like having, they said, sir, we have to pay in a installment. For that also, I have given opportunity, right? After 30 days of the class, you can pay 10K, and again after 60 days, means after 2 months of the class, you can pay another 10K. So all the flexibility I have given to you guys. And at the same time, if you guys have any queries, any doubt, you can reach out to me to these email IDs. You can ask me. Okay. So this is what it's all about, the course content. It's all about the interactive batch and all. And now these things you guys are not going to get in recorded videos, obviously. So you are only going to get the recorded videos, which is edited videos, and there won't be any migration project due to confidential of the project and all, right? So which one you can, I can only explain in the online batches, guys. So I hope I have clear what I am going to cover, what all topics, what all content I am going to cover into this, I would say, 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp batch 3. And I take only 30 candidates in a batch, so I can focus on each and every candidate, guys. Okay. So very clear. So you can see already I have shown you one of the video also. So once you complete this course, you are eligible for Linux admin role, you are eligible for cloud admin role, or a cloud ops role, cloud engineer role, you are eligible for DevOps role, you are eligible for platform engineer role, you are eligible for site reliability engineer role, application support role, production support role. All the roles during these 6 months it will be covered. So now you understand what I am doing basically with those, the amount I have kept it like that, guys. Okay, it's totally up to you how you guys are take things and all, right? So but yeah, now I can take few of the questions quickly. So I think Raki, your question I have already answered. Sir, I have already answered. Divya, your question also. Tejas, now you have understand what is the difference between recorded videos and these videos and all. Means my online batch and all. It's purely an interactive class Friday, right? And and then finally, guys, Monish Chaudhary. Okay, so sir, please reveal the Linux system administrator resume, fresher and experience. And I don't have any experience of a Linux. So how can I add 1 year of experience? I have already told you, for this you have to join my platinum membership, guys. And those who wanted to join the online batch, I'm going to paste this link over here. That, as I said, I'm going to discuss most of the thing of my online batch over here, right? So direct, sir, I recently joined a Sweden based remote company, giving base salary of 36 LPA, but I don't feel like I'm growing. What to do? So direct, that's what I can say. See, 36 LPA is obviously in Sweden, because there is already one candidate from Sweden. He's joined my course, Alex, Alex and all. Okay, so he's no, I think he's not from Sweden. He's from Germany, right? Yeah. So he already joined, and if you want to join the batch, okay, you can join the batch. But the timing, I'm not sure it's feasible for me. There is already online one batch is already going on of batch 2, which is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, you can just ping. You can just, okay, mail me, okay, to Abhishek 88 Roshan at the rate of gmail.com, guys. I don't know, my own people are not coming forward. Okay, so rest of the world understand the value of my content and all. Okay, so I request you guys, I am only obviously I believe in equality and all. So I request my own people also, please come forward. Then you will see the difference. Okay, so that is what I can say. So direct, I have given you the email ID. You can reach out to me on my email ID for more inquiries of the online batches and all. So I can only suggest for you that if you have to grow direct, then you have to be knowing all these technologies what I have just now discussed in my course. Okay. So Monish Chaudhary sir, and by adding which topic in your resume, you can get more calls and all. So topic wise, not Monish, I would say, Monish, I have already told you, right? So it's not topic, it's skill set and the roles and responsibilities more important in your resume, right? So there are some keywords, okay, and there are some roles and responsibility only which is going to pick by the tool itself, and HR also validate those resume and all. Okay, it depends upon the requirement of a project also, Monish. Okay, what they are looking. Suppose I need a person who should be expert in Docker and Kubernetes. Okay, so I am looking for a role more into a Docker and Kubernetes, right? Roles and responsibility. So it depends upon the project to project and all, right? You cannot say, but yes, filters will be there. But in my course, I covered almost everything, Monish. So most of the things will be covered, and you will be start getting the calls. As I said, it's all about the roles and responsibility what you mention in your resume. Then only you are going to get the call, because those keywords only will be picked by the tools. Okay. Okay, sir, noted, sir. Let me check membership detail and also an AWS cloud engineer. What are the concept we should be aware of? Just now I have discussed, Subbu. Okay, so those topics, it's mostly from the storage side. I would say the storage gateways, right? Those things are, it's mostly related to your subnets and all. I would say the networking point of view, you should be very strong in the infrastructure, because when you have to deploy your infrastructure into any of the cloud, like you are deploying in GKE, Google cluster, or EKS, last means AWS cluster and all. So at that time, you should know the complete networking, your VPC knowledge, your subnets association and all those things, the instance type and all, each and everything has to be in detailed, right? So those topics and those it, just now I have shown one project to you guys. So in that project only I have explained each and every module. So basically that project is a bigger picture, and that project I split it up into more than 10 to 11 use cases of real time. Okay, that is the real time project only. Okay, so that only I am explaining to guys and all. Derek sir, I am a software. Thank you, Derek. Okay, you are a front end developer, Derek. Then you need to have, because now if you are a front end developer or a full stack developer, they are looking for a DevOps engineer, right? So for that, who should be very proficient in all the areas. Okay, it's not only the, I would say, full stack development they are looking. They want them to do the DevOps activity also. I have seen already, because those dev engineers are already working under me. Okay, so yeah, Raki, you are most welcome to join the upcoming batch. But this is the only upcoming batch, which is 24th of February. Apart from this, I'm not running multiple batches, guys, because that's what maximum I can do in a day. Okay. So yes, short Sikra, yes sir. Please reply to my direct. I have answered your question, Divya sir. What will be the course fee? I have already explained, Divya. Uh, direct sir, video audio isn't. Oh, I know, guys, because that is a recorded video which I have uploaded for my batch two. I don't think so. I have to connect. Then only it will be you can guys can listen to that one. Abhishek Jha, hi sir, got 65% hike from 6.6 lakh CTC to 10.5, almost 60%. Okay, thank you, Abhishek. I know you have been connected with me since very long through the live sessions and all, and the suggestions what I am giving. Abhishek is the best example in front of you guys. You can see what he is getting, and you guys can go through my previous live sessions also, where I have explained how you have to negotiate in the salary, what all things you need to mention and all. Okay, so yeah, thank you for letting me know, Abhishek. Very good, very congratulations for your career and for your wealth also. Okay, but please make sure your health should be good. Okay, so yes, Derek sir, we cannot hear. Okay, fine. Moksha, funny videos, voice not clear. Okay, I got it. Okay, these are those. Sorry, I'm reading very late. Okay. Thank you, Abhishek. Congratulations, first of all. Let me reply you. Congratulations and all. Right. Okay. So now you guys, my volume is fine, right? For you guys, right? Okay. So yeah, Abhishek, short extra, no volume. Could someone please tell me that he is not audible? Okay, direct. I think it's very old messages and all. Okay. What is the time of online classes? I have already explained the time of online classes. It's going to be two batches. One batch is already started. In that batch, also hardly 6 to 7 topics is only finished, guys. Okay, so and most important is that that is going to one batch is running evening 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. IST. That is batch two. Okay, and batch three, which is going to start Ashish, it's going to be I would say 11 a.m. Okay to 12 p.m. Okay, IST, Indian Standard Time. Okay, so the new batch, which is going to be 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. It's going to be from I would say 24th, okay, 24th of February. So very less time in hand. So please go, and as you know that I don't take more than 30 candidates in a batch, okay. So that is also a criteria. I have already published the link in this live chat also, and it's already available in my community post also. You can visit my LinkedIn also. You can visit my Insta also. So everywhere it's available. Anywhere you can go and you can check. Okay, and even I have pasted the link of that day zero of batch two, where you can hear each and everything in detail. That link also I have provided, guys. So, Utkarsh, sir, I am a network engineer and I have 2 years of experience in this file. Okay. But I want to move cloud side. Can I do this course and applicable for company? 100%. 100%, Utkarsh. That is what I said, right? This course is, as I said, I have explained, this is more, if you, somebody has already know Linux, he'll learn more also, plus automation also, that is shell scripting I am explaining, right? And anyways, cloud, once I'll be explained, then you guys see, I told you, right, this course is a complete development of your career. This is a 360 degree. Okay, you know AB de Villiers do, right? He's a 360 degree player. Okay, I'm not telling I am a 360, but my course is 360. It's a corporate training with all real time projects. So it's a 360 degree project, and you should be able to clear most of the role, okay, interview. That is for sure. Okay, because migration projects have it. That is what nowadays all the companies are doing, guys. Okay, they are migrating there from on premises to the GCP cloud, Azure cloud, or CC cloud. Okay, or GCP cloud. Okay, CC is specific to SAP. Okay, so I have worked with private cloud also. Okay, so I can show you, and yeah. So, Muddy Lingesh, if we took the course, how many years of experience we will get? Can you please tell me, sir? Yes. See, Muddy, it's totally if you are in my batch, you see that there is a person Jameen. Okay, he joined. He's a fresher only. Okay, so it's totally depends. You can put, suppose if you are having 10 years of experience also, then also I am explaining how you can mention those 10 years if you are worked as a non-IT also. There are people who are from non-IT also. You see, there was a person, Alex Anchen. He's a non-IT guy, okay, but he onboarded to my course, okay. So there are people who is from non-IT. There are people who is from fresher, and also you can understand. This is why I said 360-degree course. This is okay. So it doesn't matter, okay, whatever experience you have. I'll guide you how to prepare resume according to that. And this is why somebody said, sir, I am covering each and everything. Why you are covering this much and all? This is that reason. Okay. So if you are having more experience, so I'll prepare your resume. So it should not look that you are just okay. I would say, 12 years of experience. So you are only mentioning DevOps. Obviously, if you are going, who is having 12 years of experience as a DevOps engineer, it's very difficult. Okay, nobody works 12 years as a DevOps engineer. So either you will be previously you have worked in some different role into a different role and all, and if you are having 5 years of experience, so how to mention those 5 years of experience according to this course? That's what I am guiding and all. Okay, so I hope I have cleared your doubt, Madi Lingesh, right, sir? As Sen Patel, sir, is learning RHCSA is relevant in 2025 as AI coming? 100%. Who said AI is going to eat or AI is going to so one, that I'll tell you the role of a Linux, the role of a automation engineer, the role of a cloud engineer, and the DevOps engineer in 2025. It's more promising. The reason behind, you guys can go and read so many articles that there is a heavy investment made in this area, especially, right? AI are the tools, okay? Even the developers, who is that is I don't want to say, but even the developer jobs are also not at stake, they are also not in danger. The only those developers who don't know how to use these AI tools and all. So but especially in Linux, shell scripting, cloud, and DevOps field. Okay, you need human intervention. If you have to troubleshoot something, so that is at runtime. Okay, and at that time, AI is not going to solve your issues and all. So that troubleshooting skill, those solving skills and all, that requires human intervention, and this is why in 2025 there is more requirement of cloud engineer will be coming soon. You guys can read, you want, I can give you n number of articles, and there is already an investment made into this area. Recently, Trump also announced of almost, I think, 500 billion dollar, right? You guys can go and check, right? So there is already, even Nvidia is there, Microsoft is there, okay? So or Google is there. So there are so many giants, okay? They need cloud engineers, they need operation engineers, they need SRE engineer, they need platform engineer, they need production support engineer, they need application support engineer. Who is going to give them the return from their application? You have application, but from that application should be running 24 into 7. Whose responsibility is there? All these roles. You guys are getting my point? So it's very clear and crystal clear, okay, that there will be more jobs coming soon in this area. Okay, so Ashish Gupta sir, what is that? So what if I learn Linux course from you? It is possible to get me job in Pune. Yes, nowadays remote jobs are also available, Ashish. Okay, so there are so many peoples, and I can give you. You want? I'll give you. You reach out to me. I'll give you their numbers. You reach out to them. That is also a trick. Okay, I'll tell you how to. So now there is no barrier, there is no restrictions. Even in Accenture, you guys can go and you can verify yourself that in near to your home location, they are giving the opportunity to work. One of my colleague in my in Accenture only, previous to previous project, his base location was Pune, okay, but he wants to work. He is from Indore, okay. So in Indore also Accenture is available, okay. So but now Accenture is giving, you can work from where you are, okay. So that opportunity also it's giving. So companies are flexible nowadays. I know some of the Indian MNCs, they stick with to come to the office and all, but yes, remote jobs are there. It doesn't matter. It all depends upon your skill set, your knowledge. If 100% they feel that you are a valuable resource for them. So, and in Naukri also, I'll tell you how basically you guys are. You have to make those some adjustment, okay, in the Naukri portal, and you guys are start going to get the call for remote jobs also. Okay, that tricks and all also I'll explain in my course, right? So Ramana, right? Hi, sir. Is Linux enough for getting the job for 4+ years? Yes, enough. Not see. It totally depends upon you. I am covering everything, okay? But I said make the base strong. That is your Linux and shell scripting, and then move forward, okay? And totally up to you. But yes, if you are only going with Linux and shell scripting, there also you are going to get the job. I can show you all that also with the data. Okay, if you want data, I'll tell you data. I don't say simply anything, okay. I have a proper data with me, right? So with that only I can tell you, with 4+ years of experience you can get a job, right? Is there. So animated decorator, sir, I give interview in big four Google after this course. Yes, 100% you can give, okay. 100% you can give. So Jagpati Babu, L2 production support I was doing. Can I go for this course? 100%. So I said just now, I explained, right? This course is for everyone, guys. Okay. Whether you are L2 supports, you are a fresher, you are L1 support, you are working in cloud, you want to switch to DevOps. So I'm covering, it's basically a junction, right? There will be a start, there will be an end. Okay, I'm not picking from very start or from the end and all. No, I'm not doing it like that. So I said, it's your, from where to onboard, where to deboard, right? It's totally up to you. That is what I'm doing. I'm providing everything to you, and it's your choice. You tell me you where you want to onboard, and you can deboard, right? Simply, but start with something so that next 15 years, so where you will see, just now suppose you are a fresher, you have completed my course, right? I have given you all the, so once you connected with me, and then finally you went for the Linux, you got selected, okay, but after working 1 or 2 years, right, you want to switch to cloud, then you no need to go for any other course. You have already with this course, you can start again learning those things, and you can go for the cloud role. After learning 1 or 2 years, again you want to go for the DevOps, okay, then at that time I'll help you to prepare the DevOps roles and responsibility, right? Resume, basically I'll help you to prepare the resume with the roles and responsibility of a DevOps engineer. You can switch it to DevOps role also. What is wrong in that one? So this is a 360-degree course, basically, I would say. So yeah, Ashish Gupta sir, I am having 8.5 years of experience into IT, 4 years of experience into mainframe support. This will be my first switch, and I really want to switch in 2 months. That too in Linux profile, is it possible? Yes, it's possible. Okay, you can go with my course, Ashish. Okay, that is possible. But remember, I my course is of 6 months. So if you want, it's totally your wish. Okay, you only want to go for Linux and shell scripting, and also I don't teach in a breakdown kind of a thing. So I complete the, because I see, thing is that in cloud, what all things I'll be explaining. So those things I have already explained in Linux somewhere. Most of the things, like which is related to Linux part, I'm not going to explain in cloud, right? So you, as I said, most of the topics which I'm explaining in Linux, either I'll be using in cloud or either I'll be using in DevOps course. Okay, so all the courses are interrelated to each other, and I know, because you need to have those knowledge, then only you'll become a good DevOps engineer or a cloud engineer, right? I hope I have answered your question. Very congratulations, Abhishek. Engineer Tech Operation as a designation. Geo is offering. It is similar to Linux admin. I am working as a Linux admin now. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you. Many more congratulations, Abhishek. Okay. So, guys, this is all about today's session, and I think I have covered most of the things in today's session. Again, I'm going to paste this link in front of you guys. Those who wanted to go for my online batch, okay, they know the difference between online batch and a recorded videos. There is a huge difference between online batch and a recorded videos and all. So that I have already given you the link over here. It's totally up to you, right? It's good, Abhishek. Okay, engineer take operation as a. It's good only. I have read your. Don't worry, it's good only. Okay, very good. That role is good, Abhishek. Okay, don't worry about that one. So it's a good role. Yeah. So yeah, guys. So you guys can go through. You can read it. It's your wish. Because I run only two batches weekdays. If you want to enroll, because there is a limited seats, you can enroll. And those who wanted to go with my recorded videos, it's already available in my website. In this website, that also you can go and buy it. If somebody don't wanted to go for the online batch and all, okay. And my app is also available, so there also you can this one, right? And soon same videos are going to uploaded to my channel also as a member only videos. Okay, so nothing hidden, everything is crystal clear for everyone. Let me know if you guys have any doubt, any query, any concern. You can reach out to me and Abhishek88 Roshan at the rate of gmail.com. I'll write it down over here, right? Abhishek88 Roshan at the rate of gmail.com, right? So this is my email ID. You can reach out to me in this email ID. Okay, and and whoever is going to onboard to my online batch, they will be directly connected to me through phone. Okay, through my number, right? So that's what I can say to all of you. And again, I'm requesting all of you that guys, your support is required, much more required. There are so many contents which is going to publish in my channel also going forward, which is in streamline also, right? And it is in basically in pipeline, I would say, and I'll be publishing soon in my channel also. But yeah, your support is required, more and more is required. So I request all of you guys, please go and subscribe the channel, guys. And those who have not subscribed also, please go ahead and subscribe my channel, guys. That's what I can request to all of you, right? Your support is required. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for today, and let's connect again in the next live session next Sunday. Till then, just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye, and Jai Hind, guys. Bharat Mata ki Jai.